Hello guys, welcome back with me Chow 2025. Today we're going to learn about how to change people age in Stable Diffusion. We are going to use age slider LoRA model from NextMeal in civitai.com. Link on the description. Whether you use Automatic 11, Forge or Comfy, you could do this as long as it has access to LoRA. In this example, I use Forge because it is faster, but Automatic 11 should be able to do this. If you use Comfy, refer to how to use LoRA in Comfy and adjust from there. Now I will tell you a great LoRA model that could do this. You could use Age Slider created by NextMeal. You could access civitai.com and the link is on the video description. Download the model and put it on your LoRA models folder. Its default location is in WebUI/models/LoRA. Now to use it, we're going to make a prompt first. You could use any prompt to generate a character, whether man or woman. Now use the LoRA weight here, adjusting to whatever you want. Avoid using any description of age or age characteristic like age itself, hair color, wrinkle, body size, word like young or old and other stuff that indicate a certain age. This thing will confuse the AI to whether follow your instruction or follow the LoRA weight. Here are some examples. Sadly, for now, it is hard to generate an existing picture into certain age unless you train the character first into LoRA. This thing also could work on your LoRA character. Here are some examples. Here are a list of other pictures that I gave the variety of weight. So the result may vary from one image to another. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.